Hi guys, and welcome to 2025. Accounting with Naomi wishes you compliments of the new season. It is a new year, new opportunities, great things about to happen. I would like to thank you personally for being with us throughout 2024. Thank you for your constant support. Thank you for watching our videos, sharing our videos, liking and commenting like you've been doing. And because of you, in 2024, we actually got monetized. Yay! Because of you, you're able to get monetized. So we thank you. We give you thank you, million thanks to you guys. Thank you for your constant support. We promise to continue to give the best. Accounting with Naomi continue to give the best. We're still gonna do accounting videos. We're still gonna do accounting systems videos. And we're going to do a lot of business videos as well, giving business ideas, easy tips, online business ideas, what you can easily do to save, how to invest as well. Yes, how to increase your investment and how to start business. We're going to do a lot of that. Also, I'm going to do a lot of videos on careers, career guidance, career tips, and quite a lot of things. So don't miss our videos this year. Whenever you see any video coming from Accounting with Naomi, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Make sure you are keeping up. Please continue to share our links just like you did in 2024. All my loyal subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Please take note, Naomi Rekeza is a tutor as well as an accountant. I am an accountant, and currently I'm working with my partners. We have a firm called McCreek Accounting and Taxation Services. I'm gonna put the details there. Please do contact us for all your accounting and taxation services. I've listed them on the poster. Do contact us if you need anything around company registration. If you are in South Africa, company registrations, compliance, taxation, and accounting. Do contact us. I'm also a tutor. I run a college called EUREKA Tutoring. I'm gonna put my details there. EUREKA Tutoring, currently we are taking registrations. If you are registered in a university like University of South Africa or any long distance university or any university of course, and you need tutorial classes, especially if you are in UNISA, you need tutorial classes, please do contact us. EUREKA Tutoring, we do private tutorials to get you ready for your exam and of course to pass, and to also support you with your assignments. Please do contact us. I've put the details of both the businesses up there, and most importantly, please join the membership, guys. Join the membership. If you really love Accounting with Naomi, you want this video, you want this channel to grow, please join our membership. You pay 35 Rand a month, guys, and you get exclusive packs. I am creating a group, all right? If you are a registered student, if you're currently a registered student and you probably struggle because you're working, you struggle to study, you struggle to keep up with the syllabus and everything, please take note that I am opening a WhatsApp group. I'm going to open a WhatsApp group and a Telegram group where you can join. It's called the support group. In this support group, we actually support one another. We push you to study. We create a timetable that we can work with. So if you are working and you are a student, please do tune in, check it out. Tune in and check it out. So we will be pushing you. We create a timetable that we're going to work with, push you so that you are studying. Guys, at the end of the day, we want you guys to get qualified, and we are here to assist you. All right, please do join our membership. It's starting from 35 Rand a month, and you get exclusive packs. You also get privileges, right? Privileges. We'll be doing some videos that are just for members, and you'll be knowing everything in advance that has to do with Accounting with Naomi. Thank you so much for being loyal to us. I really pray we're gonna have a great year this year. I've got a lot in stock for you. Please also take note that I have opened another channel called Naomi K. Rekeza. Naomi K. Rekeza, it's my other channel. In that channel, I actually show my other side of me, where I'm skilled and also very talented in other aspects of my life. So it's just away from accounting and Tutoring. So that's where you get to know me. Who is Naomi? Who am I exactly? You get to meet my beautiful and lovely family. You also get to know my other talents. I'm very good in events, event planning. I'm also very good in decorations, home decor, every decor. I'm good at event planning. I'm gonna do vlogs as well. Please do follow me on that channel. Just like you helped me, guys, just because of you we were able to monetize. Let's get that channel monetized. Let's get that channel monetized. Subscribe, give it to people, give it to your aunties, uncles, cousins, sisters, brothers, children, whoever, with all your accounts, guys. Let's go and subscribe, give it a lot of subs. Thank you so much for being part of my family, guys. I really enjoy what you've been doing. I enjoy your support. I saw your love. I saw what you've been doing. To all my loyal subscribers, I love you. I love you. Please do follow me in Naomi K. Enriquez as well. For accounting services, like I said, please go to Mekrik, contact Mekrik, and of course for tutorial classes, contact EUREKA Tutoring. Thank you, guys. I love you. Bye.